Hi there. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to verify a domain. Any email address that you plan to send simulated phishing emails or training to must have its domain verified within CanIPhish. This is designed as a protection mechanism to ensure that none of our customers can accidentally or purposefully send simulated phishing content to another one of our customers. To perform a domain verification, simply click on Employees and then click on Domain Verification. You will notice that the domain you used to sign up with is already verified. If you need to verify an additional domain, for example, one used by your customers or employees, click Verify a New Domain. You then want to enter an email address of an email at a domain that you have access to or that one of your customers has access to. Once I click Generate Verification Email, an email will be sent with an 8-digit code to the email address specified. This process can take a few moments, so please be patient. That email's just come through. And as you can see, here is the verification code. Let's copy paste that into the input code field and click Verify. And that's it. The domain is now verified, and you can start sending simulated phishing emails and training to that domain. Lastly, let's cover domain locking. Domain locking is a security feature available for professional and enterprise subscribers. It ensures that your verified domain is exclusively locked to your CanIPhish account, and this prevents anyone else from verifying it. This helps protect your business from the scenario where a compromised employee's email account could be used by an attacker to create a CanIPhish account and send phishing emails to employees on your domain. Once locked, no other CanIPhish user can verify that domain. Now just remember, this feature is only available for users with a paid subscription. And that's it for domain verification and locking. If you have any questions, please reach out to the team. Thanks for watching.